Guys, are you ready to paint tiles? Let's go. We came to this amazing studio in the middle of Porto.
Welcome to the tile painting workshop.
Thank
Good
you so
morning.
much.
Hello.
Thank you. We are so excited to do this.
So, about the tiles, probably you noticed that we have tiles everywhere in the city. But I have to tell you that the tiles are cultural for the Portuguese people, very important. I will start with the Arabic ones. They are these ones, okay? They represent 90% of downtown Porto, and they look like this. Colorful, geometric, symmetric, with flowers or birds. We used to say patterns, okay? These are the ones that you will see the most. And I'll show you now the Portuguese tiles. They are these ones. They are related with storytelling tiles, probably you already saw. Probably you know also that we have a main color. You see this blue everywhere.
Bueno, exacto. El primer paso que tenemos que hacer para pintar estos tiles, que son... Yo estoy súper emocionada porque esto es súper simbólico y una experiencia increíble si estás en Portugal. Pero lo primero que tenemos que hacer es seleccionar el tile que vamos a pintar. Yo seleccioné este. Y después tenemos que agarrar este papel de seda que tiene como dos espacios. Lo pones perfectamente aquí. O sea, tiene que quedar cuadrado. In the perfect spot. And then you put this one on top. And then you kind of like do... So it can be like the lines in here.
I'm choosing my tile. I don't know which one yet. I don't know. I'm torn. This one, this one, this one, this one. Decisions. Lots of decisions.
That's very pretty.
See?
Relaxing. I didn't know that you were recording. Ok, ahora con esta pintura blanca que nos acaban de poner hay que sellar el tile.
What is it again? What's in it?
It's a Porto tonic. It makes with white port, lemon peel, just the peel, not squeeze it, and tonic water is our welcoming drink in the city.
That is mad.
And it's, I think it's fresh, it's not heavy. It's the one that we like to welcome. Yes.
That is like a different way to drink Porto. Like really, really nice. I think Daniela just wants us to fall in love with her and stay and paint and help her in the studio. This is great. It's delicious.
Make sure I'm in paint on my face. Got it done. That was fun. A lot of fun. Look at this. But the real artist is still working.
So, I just realized that mine has so many details that it's a little bit more complicated than I was expecting. But here we go! It's not that bad, right? So you put like a glue and then...
Put resin,
Uh-huh.
and then we put them inside of this thing because for 120 seconds, so it dries and then it's good to go.
That's beautiful. We got a print! I'm so excited! I feel like an artist, guys. Like, even though you never paint, you feel like an artist if you come to this place. A ver.
Amazing artist in here. Come on, pick yours.
Yay! Yay! We finished the tiles and we are so excited.
This is a must-do experience. If you're here in Porto, enjoy the city, enjoy the port, come here and enjoy some art and some food.
Enjoy also a very good Porto tonic.
Yes.
We love you, Dani. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Cheers, friends.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Should have quit while I was ahead. The fourth one is worse.
Don't forget to hit that bell. Subscribe. Follow us.
Sí. No se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.